Empasta started off with a really grand vision. I had the vision for a fast food vegan restaurant. I was gonna do mac and cheese as like my signature dish, and that's where the name Empasta was birthed from. I went through the farmer's market and got a lot of feedback and realized that, hey, the sauce is so much more versatile than just mac and cheese. This is cheese sauce that you can definitely use for mac and cheese, but whatever else you also put cheese on. Vegan food is tasty, it's good food. Whether or not you're vegan or not, it's just tasty food. My passion for sustainability started early on in my college career. I realized how much the industrialization of animal products can really have a toll on the environment. I wanted to use my talents to create something that's gonna have a positive impact on the planet and the world. So there's always the saying of necessity breeds innovation. When the pandemic hit and I kind of had to make some decisions on how do I keep this alive, the PayPal grant was definitely helpful and the main reason why I was able to make this pivot. From there, I then transitioned to e-commerce. It was tough, but I had fun figuring out how to ship it. I updated my website to make sure that it's more e-commerce friendly, and now people buy it online and I'm able to ship it right to their doorstep. I can't give away the full secret sauce, but the biggest components of the cheese sauce are potatoes and carrots. There's other things. We use pea milk. We add some spices in there and give it a little bit of flavor. And that's all I can give you all today. The fact that I have consistent customers, people that I know that are really benefiting from the sauce, how it's impacting them in a positive way, that's really, really resonates with me of okay, it's doing what it's supposed to do.